Hello, dear viewers and participants. Good morning to everybody, and you are most welcome in our English YouTube channel, English Literature and Grammar class. Dear students, today we are going to enjoy the famous poem Lucifer in Hell. It was composed by our lovely poet John Milton, and the present poem Lucifer in Hell has been lifted from the first book of Paradise Lost. As you know, Paradise Lost is a great epic, and that was written by John Milton in 1667, and it was published in 1667, and it was written. We can say it was divided into 10 books at that time, but later in 1672, it was extended into 12 books. So, Paradise Lost is counted as the remarkable epic among the many epics of in the English literature. Paradise Lost and after it Paradise Regained was also a great epic that was composed that was also composed by John Milton. But today we are discussing about the Paradise Lost and present poem. You know, Paradise Lost is a story of fall of angels and fall of man. The first story is about the Lucifer and his followers. The other name of Lucifer, yeah, Lucifer is also known as the Satan in the Evan. When Lucifer was ignored and neglected by the God because God has delivered, the God delivered the power to his son, and Lucifer took it that he was senior to God's son, and the delivery of power should have been given to Lucifer, but God didn't do so. So Lucifer felt insult and he waged a war against the God. He gathered many angels who disliked the God, and Lucifer, Beelzebub, and other angels with full force waged a 3 days war against the God and God's son army. At the end of the war, Lucifer and his flower angels were defeated vastly by the God's son, and they had been they were expelled from the heaven, and they held down in the hell, and so they are lying in the hell, which is far from the heaven, and in what dismal and miserable condition are there. Milton describes the miserable condition of hell where fallen angels are lying in disfigured conditions. He also describes hell as that hell is a lake of fire, and there are also constant burning. Yeah, there are also burning of flames and flooded floods and was and whirlwind of fire also are also found there. So in this and adverse situation, Lucifer and his followers angels are suffered so much, and when Lucifer cast his eyesight around him, he finds that he found miserable and very hatred scene, and that makes him very sadful. And in this way, he Milton describes the horrible situations of hell. And then at that time, Lucifer found a angel, finds a angel beside him in tumbling condition, who who is completely disfigured. When he finds, yeah, he sees this angel, he feels with surprise and doubts. He says whether he is Beelzebub. Beelzebub, who was once very powerful in the heaven, and Beelzebub comes in second to him in power and crime. But in hell, he had been disfigured by God's son, and he was lying in the hell in disfigured conditions and very adverse situation. Lucifer then addresses to Beelzebub in bold words, and by through bold words, Lucifer breaks the horrible silence, a long silence of hell, and Lucifer Lucifer tries to infuse him energy and courage, so that they can, yeah, they could raise a new eternal war against God. He Lucifer first describes the glory of Beelzebub that that had been consumed, yeah, used, that has been enjoyed, had been enjoyed by Beelzebub in heaven, but now in hell they are they have become deprived from all facilities. So, but he assures him and persuades him that they have no lost, they have lost nothing, although he has lost battle, but it doesn't matter for him, and he don't care about battle, losing battle, and now, and he is still powerful, and he still has conquering will to fight under endless fight against the god. He also tells Beelzebub that he still has courage to raise a revolt against God. The such type of raise a war might be dubious but eternal. He also says that he has not given up he has not given up giving ideas against God. He says is he was also made of he is also made of heavenly substances like God, so he is not less than a God, and he has also gained a long experience, a many experiences of in the last fought battle in the heaven, and so he has become trained. Yeah, he has been trained in battle schemes in fighting a war, and his armies and his power has not been weakened vastly, so he is still powerful, and he he, he and Beelzebub were united in the last battle. When they fought against the god, they were united because their opinion, their goal and their thoughts were same and equal. And so, fierce battle of even united them in the even, and even the hell, the miseries which they are suffering has also united them again, yeah, once more. So anyway, he assures Beelzebub that he will never surrender to the god, at the feet of God, and he will never begging, he will never beg for the grace of God. He will fight a eternal war against the God, and in this eternal war, Beelzebub should help him and should unite with him, and with double power they will take revenge to God. So in this, continue describing the characters of Lucifer, characteristics of the Lucifer, because Lucifer, Satan, was a great leader of fallen angels, and so he was not, he was a proud, pridey angel, and he also says that he was also made of heavenly substances. So, being a heavenly angel, a being a angel, his he was not, yeah, he's the glory of being an angel. Even God can never snatch it from him, so he is immortal along with his followers. Now, dear students, we start the last lines, last lines of this poem. We may with more successful hope resolve to wage by force or guile eternal war, irreconcilable, reconcilable to our grand foe, who now trumps and in the excess of joy, soul reigning over the tyranny of heaven. We may with more successful hope resolve two ways. We may with more successful hope. After describing all his strong points and strong things which are in his favor, he again assures Beelzebub that we may with more successful hope. We can, he says, we can, yeah, he can resolve with more successful hope to wage, to wage a by force or guile eternal, guile means WS, eternal endless or. So they, yeah, he has resolved with more grateful, yeah, more successful hope, yeah, the hope of success to wage the eternal war. That war maybe force, yeah, by force, yeah, it might be WS, but he he has a great hope of success, because there are many things which are in his favor. So he considers, he thinks that they can resolve, they can make resolve, they can resolve with more great successful hope to wage an eternal war against the god, irreconcilable to our grand foe, and reconcilable, he will never compromise with God during all his life. And to our grand foe, to our grand foe, grand means great, foe means enemy, that is God. God is great enemy of Lucifer and his fallen angels. So he says, and he assures, he promises to Beelzebub that he will never make any kind of compromise. Yeah, he will never compromise with God, who is grand enemy, their who is their grand enemy, and so who now trumps, and their grand enemy God, who now trumps, who has got victory, and in the excess of joy, and on the occasion of gaining victory, yeah, after having got victory over them, he was in excess of joy. He is enjoying a great joy. He is enjoying in a great joy in the human soul, reigning any God who is who has got victory over them, and he is in great happiness, and he is ruling all alone over the hell, over the heaven, yeah, in the heaven, over the tyranny of heaven, and he has become the complete. He has become his supreme power in the heaven, and all heaven was, yeah, is, yeah, has been ruled by the God with absolute power of sovereignty. Dear students, I explain you in Hindi. We may with more successful we may with more successful hope resolve. जब लूसीफर बिल्जबब को बताता है कि हालांकि वह युद्ध को खो चुके हैं, लेकिन ऐसी कोई कीमती चीज़ नहीं है जिसको उन्होंने खो दिया हो। अभी भी उसके अंदर अनकंकरेबल पावर है, अभी भी उसके अंदर अनकंकरेबल विल है, विल पावर है, करेज है, साहस है। अभी भी उसने ईश्वर के प्रति या गॉड के प्रति बदले की जो विचार हैं वो अभी भी उसने नहीं छोड़ा है, और वह पिछले युद्ध से जो ग्रेट इवेंट थी उससे बहुत कुछ अनुभव ले लिया है, और अभी भी उसकी सेना भी अभी इतनी कमज़ोर नहीं हुई है, और वह भी स्वर्गीय तत्वों से बना हुआ है। इसीलिए उसके ये स्वर्गीय होने का गुण कोई ईश्वर और उसका गुस्सा किसी भी स्थिति में उससे छीन नहीं सकता, बिकॉज हैविंग बीन या बीइंग एन एंजल या बीइंग ए ह्यूमनली एंजल, he is immortal and no one can destroy him. So he is in great confidence, and he tries to take Beelzebub in confidence, and he says that he will never, he says that with great एक सफल होने की आशा के साथ वह फिर से यह निश्चय करता है, संकल्प लेता है कि वह ईश्वर के प्रति अनंत और छद्म युद्ध लड़ने के लिए तैयार हैं, या वो बहुत लंबा युद्ध लड़ सकते हैं जिसमें उनकी विजय होने की पूरी संभावना है। रिकन्सिलेबल, और वह कभी, ही विल नेवर मेक कंप्रोमाइज विद गॉड, रिकन्सिलेबल, नो कंप्रोमाइज। वह अपने जीवन में कभी भी उस महान शत्रु ग्रांड फाउ, उस महान शत्रु ईश्वर से कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा, और हमेशा उससे युद्ध या लड़ाई बनी रहेगी। हु नाउ ट्रम्प्स, जो उनका बड़ा महान शत्रु है, जो अब विजय प्राप्त कर चुका है, और इन द एक्सेस ऑफ जॉय, और विजय के कारण वो अत्यधिक आनंद का उपभोग कर रहा है। सोल रूलिंग होल्ड्स द टिरनी ऑफ हेवन, और वो अकेला रेनिंग, सोल मीन्स अकेला, रेनिंग मीन्स रूलिंग, शासन कर रहा है। होल्ड्स द टिरनी ऑफ हेवन, स्वर्ग में एक निरंकुश अत्याचारी की तरह पूर्ण संप्रभुता के साथ शासन कर रहा है। इन दिस वे, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, the main characteristics of Lucifer has been highlighted by the poet, because Lucifer was a great leader, a great speaker, and a man of pride and courage. He was really courageous and a good fighter and a good planner and a good friend of Beelzebub and others. So, in this poem, that fine descriptions of the adverse circumstances of the hell and the high characteristics and high personality of Lucifer has been highlighted by the poet. Dear students, These and these poems, yeah, these epic has been composed in blank words. So here is no any kind of rhyme scheme, but the selection of words are very grand and unique. Although some words are difficult, but they are contextual, appropriate, and they are easy to grasp. That's all for today.